my channel. This is PeachesOctober bringing you a makeup tutorial today. Before I start my makeup routine, I usually prep my face with the two products that I just showed you, which I'm going to list down. The first shade I'm using today is the milk chocolate shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette for a transition shade. And then I move on to my Juvia's Place Medium 2 palette, and I took the shade called Morocco. And all I'm doing is just blending those in my crease area. Then I reached for my Sheila Times ColourPop Perception palette, and I went ahead and took the shade Thick and additionally blended that out. I went back to the Too Faced palette and took the shade Triple Forge. It's a dark brown shade, and I blended that out into my crease as well. So to cut my crease, I took this Creamy Beige concealer from LA Girl, and I'm just using that to cut my crease with a shaded brush, with a tiny shaded brush. Got that crease, guys. Anyway, after cutting my crease, I did not set my lid with any translucent powder. I moved right ahead to my Estee Edit palette from Estee Lauder, and the shade that I used on there was Burn. It is that chocolatey brown shade, but it has a shimmer in it. These shadows are very pigmented, and I just went ahead and laid it down on my lid with a flat brush, with a tiny flat brush as well. As you can see, I'm just packing that onto my middle lid, and just to make sure that the pigmentation is very opaque, that is pretty much visible, I will say, and also making sure that it kind of blends in with the prior shade that I used. And so all I'm doing is just blending that in, going over it, making sure that it is smooth. And then I reach for the shade Trick. No, sorry, the shade that I used was Mood, and I put that in my inner lid. Mood is kind of like a gold shade with a bronze color in it, so I thought that it will pretty much go along perfectly with this look. So after blending those two shades together, I took my NYX glitter. I forgot the number, but I would just go ahead and list it down below, and I just put that into my just right above my lid on my crease area there. And so for mascara, I use this Absolute mascara that I bought from TJ Maxx sometime last year that I haven't been using. So that's what I'm using today. And then I went in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter base, and that's what I used to prime my face. But before I did that, I reached for my color corrector in the ABH medium palette, which I have overused. So for foundation today, I'm using my NARS foundation. The shade I'm using is Hawaiian, and I believe because there is a technology that is incorporated in the formula of this foundation, it helps to kind of match the skin later after you use it. But when I started using this shade, I thought it was very light for me. But the other two shades that was recommended for me, of course, have a very terrible undertone that I don't like, and so I prefer going on with this. I prefer going with this one, and then I can contour my face, I should say. Well, for concealer, under eye concealer, I use my NARS eye concealer, which is Amande. But that is pretty much done, so I had to squeeze in there. And then I just decided to add my LA Girl Pro Creamy Beige concealer as well, just to highlight my under eye. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend out that area as well. So for setting powder, I'm going with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, which I love so much, and it's good for chocolate skin as well. So for overall setting powder, for the face, I use my Urban Decay pressed powder. For bronzer today, I'm using my NARS Fallacies bronzer. I'm just acting goofy, you know, listening to music, dancing, doing my thing as I usually do when I'm doing my makeup.
I'm getting in the new 600 with the big rims on it. We rock clocks that light your shoulders. Got a lot of hot cars, but the drop is colder. You see VIP, me, Kelly, Gotti, and Hov.
I love to have fun because I love makeup. It is an obsession, so hey, I love it. And I love to have fun when I'm doing my makeup. So all I'm doing below my eyes is just the same shadows that I used in the crease area. And that's what I use on there. For blush, I used the shade Apricot from Makeup Forever, and then set my face with Fluid Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics. For highlight, I'm using Poise from Makeup Sheila's new collaboration with ColourPop, and that highlight pops. Well, so that's for it today. This is what I have for the tutorial. I hope you guys love it. If you do, please thumbs up this video, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, loves. And I think so. So these are the 16 shades in the palette. I'm gonna quickly go through the swatching for you guys.